Nah, I'm telling bro.
Okay.
Nah, give me the stick.
No,
give me
stop.
The stick.
No,
the stick
stop.
at?
Leave the stick. Leave the stick. Give me the stick.
Got it.
You thought you had it. You don't even have yourself. That's why I'm here.
I don't even know myself.
Wait, give me the pen. Wait,
Bro.
what you using?
So I was using my hand.
It's too. Oh.
Oh, fuck.
See.
I need like a 8 or like a 9. Motherfucker, didn't I say 8 and 9? What makes you think putting a 10 on it is gonna get it done?
Listen, you need to know how to change the alternator. I don't even know if you know your socket sizes anymore. Baby, come show my fresh meat.
Wow.
Chris put white man tires on his white man truck because he's a white man.
On these right here, these are Toyo Open Country AT3s. These are the freshest AT3s they got right now. These are the best meat. So hey, look, we back up and towing. We getting the trailer light put on today, and we gonna be back outside.
We also got new mirrors.
Oh yeah, and then also we got these new mirrors put on. We went with 4th gen mirrors. We got the toe joints, so you know what I'm saying. When
Wow.
I'm towing, woo! We see everything behind me.
Gone forever.
Bro, what? This is why I don't have nice things. I go to show them off and they fucking break.
Fuck that, do not drive the Teggy today. Don't touch the Teggy today. Bro, how the fuck? Not getting close to that shit.
Oh. I think I can fix it.
Stop fucking with it.
I mean, at least I have my blind spot mirror. That's so fucked.
I think a blunt would help.
Having to leave.
No. Let's think about it. Does that seem?
Well, baby, you look really nice today.
What? I don't even have socks on.
You gonna pay me for some feet pics?
No.
Holla at me, let me know. Y'all probably wondering what's going on with the Teggy. It's painted, it's been painted. Motor's done, motor's ready to go back in the car. I was supposed to get hubs and bearings put in my new spindles yesterday. Advance wanted $300 for one hub. So that means they wanted $600 for hubs. I'm not paying $600, so I went straight to eBay, found a pair of both hubs and bearings for $60.
Oh.
So gotta wait for those to come in the mail. Once those come in the mail, yeah, it's go time. I gotta do some stuff to the rear end. I gotta try to get a little more camber out. I gotta install tow arms.
Camber out?
No, like camber in.
Like more camber or less camber?
Mas camperones.
What?
I'm gonna make a restaurant, and that's gonna be an entree.
Camberonis.
Come in, order some camberonis.
Come get your camberones. I'm telling ya.
Yeah.
I'm trying to open a strip club.
The businesses. Oh, so yeah, we were talking about the Teggy.
We were.
Oh, and I'm waiting on tires. Tires I ordered wrong. What do you need?
Sockets.
The tires that I got were too small. They didn't work, so I just stepped up the tire size. Fucking fuck. Yeah, I keep asking for the YouTube videos. I haven't had content to make for the YouTube videos.
Sorry.
I'm not gonna bore y'all and show y'all me doing the same shit every fucking day. So yeah, it's just that simple. I'm not trying to give y'all stupid content, boring content. I want good quality content. even if my edits may not be up there like Dante's.
3 days later.
What's going on? We're back again today. So, I started this car last weekend. I'm doing an intake manifold change. That one's the old one. We got this little puny stock throttle body. We upgraded to the big boy, you know. So I needed to get a couple things. We were missing the fuel rail bolt. I guess that's what they're called. We back. So this is all put back together. I can start putting it back in the car. Ow! Good. Oh, because this is blocking off something that goes here. Because if it worked on that, it has to work on this. If it worked on this, it has to work on that. If it fits, it ships. Loose lips, sink ships. A little freshy deshy intake manifold. What am I doing? You may ask. So there's all this gunk and shit from the old intake manifold. So we're just cleaning it up, trying to make it as smooth as possible so that way when this new intake manifold gets put on, it can sit flush. Best thing about a motherfucking Honda is I can stand in the goddamn engine bay. Look at this. Sweet!
I hate this fucking bolt.
Did you learn how to use your fingers like that?
What?
What?
I'm hard to reach places.
What are you doing now?
Spark plugs. Alright, let me get this done. So I can get over to you. What? It's not getting spark. Why aren't you getting spark? Okay, so everything's back together on the car. Cars aren't getting spark, the car's not getting fuel. This car has a problem where every fucking time we get the car running, it'll run for 2-3 weeks and then it'll just stop. It's a teal curse because I've had problem after problem with my teal car. He has problem after problem with his teal car. They're beautiful cars, they just don't have beautiful souls. I'm gonna bring the main relay out of the teggy because I know that works. I'm gonna bring a whole bunch of shit out of the teggy since it's taken apart right now. Yes, I just wiped my fate. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm gonna get high. This isn't a child's YouTube, so everybody get fucking high. If you're a child watching this somehow, don't get high. Please don't get high. Don't do drugs. Don't smoke. Don't drink.
How
Go
do
work
you-
on cars.
Until you're 18, you know,
All right.
and then make your own decisions.
Have a good day. We're out of here. Peace out. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one.